All right. So this next one is from your channel, Prashanthi, and this is from Sriva asking, based on April visa bulletin, when can PD January 2014 be current on EB3 or EB2 for India? Thank you.
I wish I had a looking glass which would tell me what the future looked like, but unfortunately I don't. So your guess is as good as mine. If they're working on 2013 April, then for them to move that many months, I think it's going to take time unless something happens and we see rapid forward movement. I think we will see a slow forward movement um, of a few months at a time, and there may be some months that you will not see any forward movement. So it may not happen. It may not even happen this year. So wait and see.